This figure was made by Garner Holt Productions. I do not know what year, but it looks pretty recent. Uh, it was taken out about 2 years ago. It was in the Pacific Science Center, if I remember right. It used to be a fly man. It had kind of like it was like a fly guy. It had a fly head, fly hands, and fly feet with a lab coat. Uh, it looks like they took pretty good care of it. Uh, it was made. What I think is really cool is it was made by Garner Holt Productions, who made a lot of figures for Disney. I think some stuff for Universal Studios. They made all the Studio C Chuck animatronics and Bird animatronics for Chuck E. Cheese. It's just the biggest company that makes them, and they make them really, really well. So it's going to be really fun to fix them up. As you can see, he is made pretty similar to this Disney A1 hip that I have. You can see the rest of him also looks very Disney. He has probably pretty similar movements to a standard A1 figure that they have. Uh, I think I might make him into something Disney inspired, or maybe just like a classic robot. But I'm going to show me fixing his arms and working with the valves next. The arm is super easy. I'm just going to mark the holes I need to drill. And I thought because it's human sized and human shaped, I could just measure it off myself, which I needed to make it a little different to kind of match him. But I went with about a 12-inch arm. I think it looks really good, and I'm very proud of myself with how nice it came out. Right now I'm connecting his air dryer to his air oiler and the rest of his assembly. I got all new gauges, which is pretty cool. I don't know what pressure he's supposed to run at, but I'll do some research. Uh, he has some really nice cylinders. Okay, I think now is about the time I would have put on the nipple. I'm putting on the nipple so I can connect my air hose to it really quickly with the quick disconnect. Anyway, I think I'm going to make him like a classic audio animatronic. I've been collecting a bunch of parts to make like a very true to the audio animatronic term controller, which is going to be really cool. I think it's going to be made pretty similar to what they did back in the day, and I'm really excited.